I officially look funny. I look so damn funny right now. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Cheche. If you are a new subscriber, which I know I have a lot of new subscribers, welcome to my channel. I'm so happy that you're here. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. So today, like you guys have seen on my thumbnail and title, I'm going to be letting the makeup wheel choose my makeup order, okay? And I'm not the original owner of this idea, okay? I've seen it on YouTube, but then I remember watching Alisa Ashley one time, like far back. She used to do this Monday mystery with wheels, and honestly, this is the only challenge I think I can do, okay? I have tried to film the 5 minutes makeup challenge and the 10 minutes makeup challenge, and I don't see it through, okay? In the middle of the video, I freak out and I don't do it. And I felt this is the only challenge I think I can be able to. So guys, if you're not even interested in watching this video, just keep on watching and subscribe to my channel and like this video. I'm gonna spin and I can't wait to see what my first order is going to be. My first order, yeah. So let's spin it together. So guys, for the first one, contour. This is so weird. I mean, going in without primer. Okay, I'm going to be using the Revolution Super Size Conceal and Define in the shade C18. So I'm going to blend it out with this angled brush. This is going to be so weird doing my contour first. I mean, it's not bad though. I don't think it's bad. I look like a clown. So I decided to go in with the darkest contour shade that I have, just because I know it's going to be underneath my makeup and I wanted to still show. That's why I went in with this dark. So now that I look like an official clown, let's continue. And the second one, brows. Thank God, at least this one is not so crazy. So I'm going to do my brows, and I'm going to be using this brow pencil from BYX. Okay, it's a brow liner, and this is an Australian brand. It has a spoolie brush and a pencil, but it's a little bit dark, so I'm just going to go in very lightly with it. So guys, the brows are done. I'm going to move on to the next one. So the next one is primer. Thank God. But I'm not going to be using my usual primer. I'm going to be using this e.l.f. Illuminating Primer Mist, okay? Because I don't know how I'm going to apply my normal cream primer on my face like this. So I'm glad I have this. I'm going to use it on my face as my primer. Oh God. So guys, it has dried down a bit. I'm going to move on, okay? So the next one is concealer. Why not? Why? Alright, so concealer it is. I'm going to be using this Juvia'a place that I use in concealing my bottom brows, and I'm going to use it to conceal my face, okay? I officially look funny. I look so damn funny right now. Now that I officially look like Snow White, okay, we'll move on to the next one. So the next one says setting spray. kind of thing is this? Setting spray. Oh god. Alright. So I'm going to be using setting spray from Revlon, and this is their Photoready Prep Set and Refresh Mist. So guys, I allowed it to dry down a little bit, and then let's just continue because I need to see where this thing is heading to. I need to understand what is happening on my face because I do not understand. Okay, and also guys, one thing I love about this wheel thing is it lets you choose the option where it kind of like, how will I put it, if you've already chosen something, it won't come to that thing again. Does that make sense? I think it makes. So let's move on. So the next one says eyeshadow. Hey god. Eyeshadow. Alright, I'm just going to do a very quick eyeshadow, and it's not going to take time. Just something very, very fast. So guys, I'm going to use this Makeup Revolution palette and the Tropical Carnival palette, and I'm going to be going in with this dark blue shade. This shade, I'm just going to put this all over my crease, just something very simple, not too eyeshadow-ish, if that makes sense. So guys, I'm going to just blend out the edges of this dark blue that I applied with a clean brush just to soften it all. That's what I'm doing for my eyes today. Okay guys, I went ahead to put my lashes off camera because I didn't put the option for lashes, and for my inner tear dots area, for the inner corner of my eyes, I'm going to add this lemon shade. It's a lemon shimmer shade, and I'm just going to add it here. And also, I didn't do my water lash line because I've not set my face. I'm just glad that I used setting spray first. I mean, the concealer, honestly, it's not creasing yet, okay? So, but I'm going to do my water lash line like after I'm done with my whole face. Okay, so honestly, this is not that bad. Not yet. I mean, I know people that do concealers and contour before their foundation, so I think like basically it's almost the same. Even though I used contour before I primed my face. That's the story for another day, okay? So let's move on and to the next one. Highlight. How am I supposed to highlight my face? I mean, okay, no, it's not that bad. I usually do sometimes when I want to go for the whole natural glow within makeup look, I add highlight under my foundation. I think that's what's going to be. Highlight it is. So I'm going to use this highlight from Forever Gold. It's a loose pigment and it's very pigmented. I mean, I can go crazy with it. This is going to be seen under my foundation, but I'm not going to go crazy though. But this highlight is like amazing. It's so soft, very, very soft. So I went a little bit heavy hand because it's going to be seen inside my foundation. I want it to be seen when I put on my foundation and my powder. I've not added any powder on my face, funny enough. Not even an all over face powder or a setting powder. The thing I'm feeling right now is just the eyes. Everything that's going on my face, I find it really funny. Okay, But let's move on. Let's just hope that at the end of the day, I look presentable, presentable. All right, so the next one is going to be setting powder. Finally. Okay, I'm not going to go back and blend in my concealer. I feel like the setting spray already did a little bit of what the setting powder is going to do. I'm just going to go ahead and just set my face, and I'm going to be using this NYS Can't Stop Won't Stop setting powder. Okay. How am I supposed to set my nose when I've already added highlight? I'm just going to set it. That's what the wheel says, and that is what we are doing. So guys, I went ahead to do my bottom lash line. I don't know what's funny about this whole thing. I've not even used foundation. Hey God, I've not used foundation. Imagine if foundation is the last step. Like, I just hope I get foundation before I get all over the face powder, because this is going to be very, very weird. Very, very, very weird. Alright. Okay, guys. Fingers crossed. Foundation, please. Foundation. Blush. Hey! So, guys, for the blush, which the wheel chose for us, I can't believe all these things are going to be inside my foundation. I'm just going to go like a little bit heavy hand with this blush so that it will at least show up, So for my blush, I'm going to be going into this golden hour in the Tammi's palette, and I'll be using the blush there. I don't care how. No. I wasn't saying it should be this thick. I meant like, I'm going to just tap up the excess. I honestly look like a clown. So this is me, blushed, highlighted, contoured, concealed without foundation. Alright, so the next one. Please give me foundation. Hey God, the wheel says face powder before foundation. This is going to be the weirdest makeup I've ever done in my life. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and use this face powder from Milani Cosmetics in the shade 109 and put powder on my face. So guys, what is remaining is foundation and lips. Okay, lips and foundation. Let's see. You can just anything it gives right now. I don't mind, because foundation is going to be on top of all these things. Okay, so okay, this wheel hates me. It's just bent on making sure that I choose foundation last. Alright, so it says lips, and it's lips we are doing. Okay, I'm going to line my lips with this brown liner from Tammi's collection. Yeah, and I'm going to go in with the Maybelline Honey Beige. It's a nude lipstick, and then use this gloss from Tammi's collection as well in the shade Muse. So guys, finally, what's left on this wheel is foundation. To feel our righteousness, I'm just gonna do it. Now, I'm having second thoughts, but I have to complete this challenge. Okay, so I'm going to use foundation. Okay guys, so I was trying to look for a foundation that is light coverage that I have, but I don't. So I'm gonna use this Juvia's Place foundation in the shade TOGO. Okay, normally I dab my foundation on my face first, before I blend it in, but I don't think I'm going to do that. So I'm just going to like take the foundation and just okay guys, so this is the final look of this funny drama that I just acted today. The reason I'm feeling all these things is just my eyes, and I didn't even use much, just one eyeshadow, blend it out, then added the shimmer shade in the inner corner of my eyes, and that's it. And my brows, they're okay, but my face, I feel like the foundation covered everything. Okay, I can still see highlights. Honestly, I can still see highlights. That's the only thing that is like showing. My contour, I can still see my contour shade. Okay, it's still there. I mean, like, I feel like everything melted into my skin. I mean, this is not bad. So guys, if you want me to do more of this challenge, just tell me down below. Maybe it chooses my brush or it chooses something. Just tell me, then I'll film it, because this was really fun to film. Okay, this was extremely fun to film. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and share this video. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.